Presenting to you the uber cool VEGA X3 Beard Trimmer for the men who like to keep it simple yet stylish. The trimmer comes with a unique 5-minute quick charge that gives 10-minute runtime. It has a smart travel lock that prevents the trimmer from switching on its own. The trimmer has stainless steel blades along with 2 comb attachments and a rotary wheel with 40 lens settings. The stylish LED display and ergonomic design of the trimmer make it look classy, while the IPX7 water-resistant feature makes the trimmer hassle-free under the shower. The lithium-ion strong battery gives 90 minutes runtime and has a USB charging feature that makes the trimmer ideal for both cord as well as cordless use. Here is how you can style your beard best with VEGA X3 Beard Trimmer. Style 1. Regular beard trimming and styling. Wash and dry your beard. Set your beard trimmer to its longest setting and start going against the direction of hair growth. Style 2. Style your neckline. Put a finger horizontally just above your Adam's apple and trim a vertical strip below this line. Start trimming outwards under your jawline to one side, then return to the center and work your way to the other side. Style 3. Shape up your mustache. Trim your mustache to the desired length by choosing a setting of your choice and start trimming upwards by going against the direction of hair growth. Now step up your beard styling game with the VEGA X3 Beard Trimmer.